Hey guys, welcome. Technical video here. Today in this video, I'll be talking about one solution, one tool that can solve all your iOS issues such as iPhone stuck at recovery mode, restore mode, or white screen, frozen screen, or iPhone stuck at Apple logo. Okay, this can be applied to all the iPads as well as the iPod. So there is only one solution for that. That is TenorShare Reboot. So you can download this from your website or the link will be description. TenorShare Reboot is available for both Windows as well as Mac. So the link will be description. Go and check out. Now let me show you how you can solve your iOS issues with this application or tool. Once you open TenorShare Reboot, it will ask you to connect your iOS device like your iPhone, iPad or iPod with a cable. Once you connect a device, it will automatically detect your device and it will display here. Now as you can see on screen, my device is stuck at recovery mode. So now for the free version, here there is a free version where you can solve basic issues like your phone stuck at recovery mode or phone stuck as a DFU mode. That can be solved in free version as well. Just click on exit recovery mode. Once you do that, it will automatically exit your recovery mode and your phone will restart as a normal phone. As you can see on screen, now I will click on exit recovery mode and my phone will start as normal and it will come out of recovery mode. If your device has any other major issues other than stuck at recovery mode, for that just click here, and once you do that it will take you to next screen, and here it is clearly stating that it will not solve any hardware issues with the device, and also it will update your device to latest iOS version, and along with that if your device is jailbroken it will take it back to non-jailbroken device, and it also says that make sure that your device has enough power and it should have minimum of 800 to 900 MB of a storage capacity for the update. Once you have all that, just click on fix now, and once you click on fix now it will take you to the next screen. Before going further, we need to have a firmware file on our system. That can be done by clicking on download and getting the download file online here itself, or else copy the link and download it manually, or third option is select the file which you have already downloaded on your system. If you don't have any file on your system, just click on download icon and download the file in TenorShare Reboot software itself. Downloading a firmware file will take a few minutes because it's quite a big file, around 4 GB, and once if file is downloaded on a device, it will ask you to repair now. Now once I click on repair now, it will solve any issue with my device such as your frozen screen, white screen, iPhone screen stuck at Apple logo, or iPhone won't turn on, or iPhone is not updating. Any issue, it will solve the issue. Now here I will click on repair now and I will try to fix my device. So once I click on repair now, let me show you how my device will be repaired. Now as you can see, my phone is stuck on this screen. So after I click repair now, let's wait for a few seconds, and after you wait for a few seconds it will automatically fix your device and Apple logo will appear. That means that it is repairing your device and your iPhone will start as a normal phone as it was. Like this friends, with TenorShare Reboot you can solve around more than 150 iOS issues with a single click. So go ahead and check my video description. You will find a link to TenorShare software where we are giving away 5 license for the TenorShare Reboot, and also there is 30% discount with my coupon code. Go ahead and check my video description and get the code as well as your free giveaway. Friends, if you like the video, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.